So I stole my wife's motorcycle. She doesn't know that I took it. She's at work right now. What I did is snuck up there and I parked our other vehicle up there so she has a way to get home if I don't get this finished. But she bought a stereo system for her bike and I've started to take some panels off. It's amazing how easy it is to take these things apart. They got these little clips right here that you just take out and then yeah. But she got these speakers and it's Bluetooth compatible. Yeah, so I gotta get this. It's Rockville Rock and Ride. It's supposed to be wicked awesome. It's got 3-inch speakers. I'm gonna mount them here, and then this is getting moved here, and then the control switch is getting moved there. I took this panel off to see if I could put the wires through here and put them behind here, but there's no way for me to get to the battery. So I think I'm gonna have to go on the other side, and because there's a big space under here, I can get under the headlight and put it right there. So the other good thing is if you want to remove your panels, it's that easy. You can change them out. I'll show you here in just a second. To take the panels off and change them out, you just come right in here, you open up your frunk and you open up your gas thing, and there's the little clips right here. You just get a screwdriver. They have a panel removal tool. I just don't want to spend 10 bucks on a whole kit for something I'm going to use once. Pop that out. See, it already knocked that loose. I got to take this one out, and then I've got to take these two out, but it's seriously that easy to do. Get back in focus here. The screwdriver got in the way. You want to put something so you don't scratch this, or you just get in a way where you're not going to get in there. See how easy that is to pop out? Pops right out. You can take your panel off and change it. I'll show you what it looks like. All right, I got the clips out, and then you just take it, pick it up, loosens up down there, and that's how easy that is. So now I have access to behind there, and I can put the speaker wires all the way down to here. I'm going to zip tie them to a few things you'll see as soon as I get started on it. Got to take this off because the speaker's going to mount there, and I'm going to move that over here, or actually probably over here. That way she can use her phone while she rides. The speakers are up here just sitting there for a moment until I get them mounted, but they give you 600 freaking feet of extra cord that I have to hide here. But I'm going to zip tie the heck out of it so it stays together. There is a little USB charger I'm just going to leave right there for. Can't see where my big fat finger is, but there's a USB charger I'm just going to let right there that she can charge her phone with. Even though there's USB chargers in here, she can just run a cord. I don't know, I haven't figured that out yet. But other than that, there's just one little thing that plugs into the thing, and they give you 900 feet of extra cord for it. I don't know why. Maybe because some bikes are longer. Battery locations over here on most bikes, not in the front. I have no clue, but I'm going to get it figured out and get this thing mounted up. Got the speakers mounted. Was not an easy task. Thankfully, I know what I'm doing ish. I don't pretend to, but yeah, that big old thing there, you gotta, yeah. So that's how they mount, right on the handlebars. Had to use 2 pieces of rubber to make sure they stay on there. I think they're good. Well, I got the control panel on. I got all my wires in place. I still have to hook up the battery, which isn't that bad, but I gotta get the panel on, and then I can hook up the battery and then test it out, and then I'll put the panel on. That way I don't have to take everything off. So let me do that real quick, show you how easy it is to do these panels. All right. This goes here like this. Whoops, I forgot to open up my frunk. But yeah, open that up. Whoops, get that zip tie out of the way. The wires are good. That'll sit right where it needs to. It's bad filming, I'm sorry. But yeah, I'll put that right in place. Won't take but half a second. I gotta find my other thing though, because I've got 1, 2, 3, and I gotta find the other one. So I think the wind took it off somewhere. So give me a minute. Oh, there it is right there. I guess I don't need a minute after all. Let me show you how easy this is to do. Line this up. Whoops, I gotta put this bottom piece in right here first. Ugh, bad camera work, I'm sorry guys. I apologize. When I do this by myself, it's not easy. If Randlin wasn't at work and I wasn't surprising her, it'd be a different story. That's in place. Takes a half a second. Put this right here. Whoops, gotta get this under there though. There we go, that's how that goes. This goes in here. pops right in. Look how easy that is. So if you want to change your panels out from factory to an aftermarket or a different color from the factory, it's just that easy. And if you need to take it apart for any whatever reason, it's just that easy. See how easy this is? Whoop, put the thing in. Wrong hole, Robert. There we go. Whoops, got to twist it a minute. Put this one in first because it's a lot easier. Got that in. Come back to this one. Got to aim it the right direction because there is a certain way it has to go in because there's a lock that holds it in place. Let me take that back out and get it put together first. Well, maybe not. Here we go. Does it go like that or like that? I have no clue. But you guys see how easy it is to go in. I'm going to cut this off and finish that, and then we'll hook up the battery. Took me half a second to get that clip in. Now I'm going to disconnect the battery and get the power cable hooked up, and then I'm going to test her out and see how this bad boy works. Hopefully I did a good job. I'll let you know in a second. Alright, I got everything hooked up, got the battery connected. This is too close for me, but Randall's short, so hopefully she'll enjoy it. I borrowed somebody else to use their thing because I don't know how to work these things. Let me see if this is, well, I got the power on.
Aux mode.
What? Talk mode? I don't even know what that means. So I'm gonna have that person try to connect it to their Bluetooth, and then my neighbor doesn't want to be filmed, but they have an iPhone, I don't. And I don't know what I'm doing anyway. Okay, we're connecting. Hopefully it works. I'll let you know in a second. Alright, I got it connected to the Bluetooth. Now I'm going to hit the music, whatever app this is, and hit play.
No.
Holy crap, that is loud.
Bluetooth.
I think I'm going to have a happy wife. I think she'll very much enjoy that. I just hope she doesn't get a ticket for, yeah. And I hope I don't get copyrighted for having the song on. But that's what it is. So there you go. If you want to do the rock and ride from Rockville stereo on your Can-Am, it is severely simple. So there you go. I'm sure it's simple on any bike, but now you can see how to do it on the Can-Am Ryker. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe. Can't even think what I was going to say. Hit that notification bell so you know whenever I put up a new video. Thanks for watching.